To eject SIM tray on CMF Phone 2 Pro, you need to prepare the SIM eject tool that you can find also inside the box of this phone. The one that we have inside the box looks a little bit different, but this one that I have over here does the job as well. Take a look at the bottom of the phone in order to find the SIM tray over here, and we have this hole on the left side of the SIM tray, and this is where we need to insert our eject tool. So just put the pin inside that hole and then just use a little bit of force in order to take out the SIM tray. Once the SIM tray pops out, then you should be able to use your fingernails or fingers if possible in order to grab the SIM tray and remove it from the phone like this. You might want to grab it from the bottom side if you have troubles with removing the SIM tray. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. As you can see over here, we have the SIM1 slot. At the reverse, we have two options. We can either use another SIM card or we can use a memory card, SD card. So quite convenient. So in this example, I'm gonna show you how to insert both SIM cards for SIM1 and SIM2, as well as how to also insert the micro SD card. So over here we need to match this shape that we have. Over here we have this cut part. So we need to just simply put it in. There we go. Make sure that the SIM card is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything. And it should be quite firm once we insert the SIM card. Now let's take a look at the back. Over here, in order to insert the second SIM card, we need to put this over here on this side. There we go, it looks like this. It goes in pretty easily. And that's all. However, if you want to use an SD card, then unfortunately we cannot use the SIM card. But instead we can insert the memory card like this. There we go. It goes in also pretty easily. And once again, make sure that it is fully in. You might hear a little click in this case. And there we go. Everything is in. So now we can put the SIM tray back to its place. There you go. Push it with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. If it sticks out and you cannot push it more in, then it means that most likely something has not been inserted properly. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.